all in white na. Make sure na to be part of the agenda of the event. Pagputi daw. That's my outfit. Bili pa ako ng outfit. Ay, bakit gumaganyan? Bakit nagaganyan? Pangit na.
My name is Charles Manuel Admin.
Hi, good evening. My name is Medora Benitez from Admin Department.
Good evening, Brian Castillo and STV.
My name is Nina Laguna from Fashion Fitness. From the reception.
Good evening, everyone. Big Paris from the Housing Department.
Good evening, everyone. Gigi will be very along to specialists. Good evening, everyone. My name is Nina Jane Garpino from Customer Service.
part of our activity is bingo.
Which we did not win. But we're so happy we enjoyed the activities. Going back to our room na. Pagod na. Napagoda na. Lobby of Canyon Cove. Sino si Heart Evangelista? Who's that? Going back to our rooms. Where is our room? There. Should always follow the light. The light. The light. Ano pa yung kanta na yun? Huwag na kumante. Ha? Oo, si Ellie Goulding. Tananan, tananan, ano na yun? Walang magawa. Pagod na. Pupuntahan ko yung mga staff. Pahinga lang sandali. We'll go to their... Parang kailangan ko ng lakas ng loob para makapunta doon. 3rd floor, no elevator. Good luck. Apartment sa kanila eh. Hindi sila room. Gusto mo punta? Just to check out their crib. Wow. Pa-crib-crib eh. What's a crib? Yan ang hallway. Pwede ka na rumampa. Oh, 407, 408. That's not our room. Our room is at 409. Bakit yung mga ganti nila na bukas? Mawala yung mga gamit ng fireman. So this is our room. Room 409. We will tap the key card. In the key card. Wow, what's up? This is our room after we have changed their outfit tonight. Isang napakagulong. I want to drink coffee as well. Banana? Ano yun?
Tapos yung kabila, Dok, banana. Sabay po kami. Nagpapalisahan kami.
Talaga? So, we're going to their room. Ay, apartment. So, shut. Hindi siya room. Apartment sila. Kami ng staff din.
Ngayon po yung mga staff na Dok.
Kita na. Wow, ang ganda.
Ngayon pala may picture na.
Ganda. Asan ang picture niyo?
Wala ako kasi wala na magpipicture kasi
Kasi nakakahawak kami lahat.
Takot na takot magbitiw.
Apartment.
Ganda. Bakit kayo dito? Elderly? Ha? Ayun o, mag-stairs. Pagod na kayo. Ang layo yata na apartment nyo eh. Asan ang kabayo? Papunta tayo sa apartment nila. Dito ang daan.
Sa napakadilim na lugar. Hindi pa.
Medyo mag-hike tayo do.
Kaya nga natulog muna ako kasi sabi ko parang hindi ko yata kaya na dumiretso.
Nakatulog ka naman doon.
Tumigaan lang ako. Doon dumating kayo nakahiga na ako.
Sorry na do.
Okay lang. Parang ganun ba yung titiran nyo? Parang abandon.
Haunted.
Andito pa yung bus natin.
Hindi na siya ganun kabago. Like yung mga hotel nyo.
Oh, yan yung mga bus namin.
Sabihan niyo ba? Sabihan ba?
Punta kami sa apartment.
naman sila.
Gabinaw. Sa kagustuhang maglayas sa gabing madilim, naglalakad sa kadiliman. Yan. Yan. Gabing-gabi na, alas 10 na. Ay pang magsitulog. Oh my goodness! May pagkasamang hiking.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Hindi naman tayo dun daw.
Dapat din naman si Christine, tinatakot ako. Akala ko paakyat pa dun eh.
Ay, hindi naman ganito.
Eh, papasakay ako sa bus. Ganda. Ang mga sama. Mega walkathon to their crib. Basta ba natin to? Diyan yata sila matutulog eh. Kumain na ba yung mga drivers?
Ewan ko na lang kung makapagod niya yung admin.
Bakit? Baka ireklamo tayo. May aircon ba kayo?
Meron daw.
So, hindi dapat rinig.
Pero yung sa common area daw, parang hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko malamig. Hindi po siya kasi nalig ng mga hotel.
Ay,
Sabi ko si Doc Guy, tapos
pero, mais naman. Mais naman yung iyong tinutuluyan. Oh, wow.
pero old house. Hindi na siyang bago. Kasi parang pag tayo haunted, kasi yung nakalaki yung mga bahay nila. Ma'am, tingin susi po. Ano yan? Susi. Susi.
If nasa apartment, allowed kayo mag-ingay.
Opo, maingin yan sila kanina po. Katabi namin daw, admin naman.
Oh.
Admin and MIA. Kailangan ka magkakama.
Ayan. Staircase for life.
Kaya daw stairway to hell.
Isa pa? Ito na. Matay ang trabaho. Sama yun sa ulan. Ay! Dami mga chinelas. Oh. Admin.
Mga kadapang. Pasok nyo lang kuya. Bakit itago ko yung... Ba't kaya tanggalin namin yung isa-isang part?
Ang saya. Meron kayong sarili nyong ano.
May bathtub naman din to yung CR na isa.
Pwede ba ipasok ko sa...
Yes, Doc, pwede naman po.
Ay, merong kusina.
Pwede mo
Wow. Ganda naman. Pwede mag... Dami yung biniling pansit canton. Maandar ba to? May mga kaalakan. Ay, ano yan? Kasi sobrang init pa. Baka pumutok. Dapat ilipat nyo na yan. Oo, di ba? It's a ship. Ito ang... Ay! Namatay ang kalabaw. Ay! Ganon. May tao sa CR. Patingin.
Damit ako ng mga damit.
Ay lang.
May bathtub po dito. Yung sa isa, Doc.
Talaga?
CR.
Hello, Terry. Congratulations. Kita nyo, kumita kayo. Kahit 500 kesa nakaupo lang kayo doon. Laki din ah. Oo, pero sana ayusin nila.
Yes, ito. Medyo ano lang po, pero...
Parang napabayaan. Oo, kasi tingnan mo, may cobwebs pa. Ano ba yan? Are you here for the Halloween? Ayan o. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita. Ayan o. Ayan, daming cobwebs. Ay! So, alam nyo nang ilalagay nyo sa evaluation.
Yes.
Ay, anay pa. Huwag na nga. Sa dalawang room, asan isa? Ha, dun papasok sa kabila. Ay, ano, parang pagod na kayo. Pagte-telestration pa naman tayo. Oh, amenities to ah. Ay, nakaharap din kayo. Ganda. Social, pwede magkape.
Yes. Kaso mainit.
Ay, walang ano. Oh.
Talaga?
So, anong gagawin nyo?
Selfie.
Hindi kanya bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko, pilit ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin?
Magaling si Doc Richard.
Dapat ko nalimutan. Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon ka lang tumating.
Next day.
Hello everyone! So, last day na namin at kami ay mag-check out na. So, magbababay na ako just to end this vlog because we are supposed to check out at 11 a.m. Nakapag-breakfast na kami. Ayos na rin namin yung gamit namin. And by 12 o'clock, we're supposed to depart from here, from Canyon Cove to Manila. So, this is my closing vlog. Baka kasi makalimutan ko na naman. Parati kong nakakalimutan to end my vlog. So, this is just to properly end my vlog today. Magbababay na kami. Eric, Isabella, magbabay ka. Wow. With the participation of my daughter, si Isabella. So, last night, what we did is, we just had dinner and then nagbanding kami with my staff doon sa may apartment nila. Salamat. So, nag-enjoy kami sa outing na ito. So, if I'm going to put some more footages, it's us leaving the area, going back to Manila, boarding our bus, and siguro kung may closing remarks pa pala. So, meron pa palang event sa mess hall. But this is now the situation of our room. So, yan. Had to make my bed para naman medyo di mukhang nagkagulo dito. So, that's our stuff. Naayos na namin. Hindi ko napapakita yung CR. Everything happened there. Hindi, lahat yung mga pa yan, tubig, bottle water. Yung yung container ng mga empty water bottles na namin nilagay. So, yan. So, this is the screen. When it's open, that's the mirror. Hi, again. This is my last vlog of this room, saying bye-bye na. And then, that's my daughter. Lamig na lamig. I had to close the aircon last night. Sobrang lamig. So, that's the view. May screen yan, kaya medyo ganyan. But, yan. Meron pa rin mga naliligo. Di na kami naligo. Feeling na sa stress. I like that 2 night naps. They're very nice. Me having coffee, reviewing my vlogs. Yan. Sarap. It's always the last day na ang hirap umalis because nag-enjoy ka na. So, yan. This is the view of the room from here with my daughter. I'm now waiting for that person who's going to assist us to go down kasi yesterday we had to bring up everything. So, ngayon, we'll have somebody pick up our stuff and help us to go down naman. So, medyo mabigat. And tanghali na, so mainit sa labas. So, good luck to me. Sana wag masyadong mainit naman. Yan, andyan na. Sinusundo na kami. Ayan na yung view ng veranda. Ganda?
Hi.
Si Yu lang tutulong sa amin sa pagbaba ng gamit. We're leaving now. Our bus. Yan na si Yula. Mabilis. Yan, bus. Bus 3. Inside the bus now. We made it with a lot of hingal. We need to exercise. Ay, ko. Pang-exercise ito. Dito na kami. Nakabalik na kami sa Maynilaan. And we are on our way to Erica. We'll meet her sa Shangri-La. Kakarating lang namin. Traffic sa Tagaytay. Maybe because it's Father's Day. So, lahat ng father ay nagsiselebrate sa Tagaytay. Happy Father's Day. So, we met Erica at Shangri-La, Watami, at the East Wing. We ordered for scallop poppers, which is around 150, and aburi cheese gyoza, which is around 325 pesos. Then, Erica ordered for a maki, 420, and Isabella naman, salmon sashimi, which is at around 465 pesos. So, we had to clear some of the stuff so that they can put the other food that we ordered. I also ordered for this katsudon, chicken katsudon with crispy squid. Here, that's the chicken katsudon. It comes with a crispy squid with Japanese mayo and miso soup, as well as mochi for dessert. So, it's a katsudon chicken with crispy squid teishoko. So, this is the tonkatsu chashu ramen, which is around 545 pesos. And what will you say?
It's good. Of course, we are in our favorite. Just wanna talk him now. And this one is
So, this is the aftermath. So, this is my order. This is katsudon, chicken katsudon with crispy squid teishoko. So, yan, hindi ko na yan kinayang ubusin lahat. Sobrang dami ng in-order. So, yan. That's my leftover. So, I wasn't also able to touch the miso. We'll just take it out. And then, that's the aburi cheese gyoza, which is good. Masarap siya. Damaki, halos naubos na din. Wala na halos natira. And what else pa? We weren't also able to finish the scallop poppers. So basically, this is it. And after eating, we just went to Starbucks, bought some cake and our drinks for to go, and then that's the end of the night. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next vlog. And if you haven't already, please click like and subscribe. Bye!